Number 12. Which of the following is equivalent to 9 raised to the power of 3/4? And then it gives us some options here. So the idea of this is to get that value as simple as we can. So let's see what we can do. We can rewrite this as a radical if we so choose. So one thing we can do is we can rewrite the fractional exponent as a 4th root raised 9, whoops, come on, 9 to the 3rd. And so far that does not really help us. So let's see what else we can do. There's another trick we can do. We can rewrite 9 to the 3/4 as 3 squared to the 3/4 because 9 equals 3 squared. Now if we leave it as in this format, we can then treat the 3 being raised to 2 individual exponents. So if we simplify 2 times 3 over 4, we can get 3 raised to the 3/2. Now this means that we have things a little bit simpler. Now let's write this as a radical. So we have 3 raised to the 3rd power, and the 1 over 2 part turns into a square root. And if we simplify this radical, this means that it's the square root of 3 times 3 times 3. Pair of 3's means 1 comes out of the radical, and we're left with 3 times the square root of 3. And there's our answer, option D.